Oh, this feels like a nail file. Oops, I applied too much. Hi gorgeous, how are you? So Nyx has a new advent calendar and I have it here. The price of it is 80 euros and we have 24 surprises. Last year it retailed for 55 euros and it was pretty disappointing. I gave it just 2 stars out of 5. I'm hoping this year it is much better. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week and I'm gonna post more advent calendar videos. On the packaging it says ready, set, flamingo, and I'm very curious if this is a DIY advent calendar, if we have boxes or doors. And this is the first product. Okay, it is in a paper bag. This is such a strange advent calendar. Oh, it is an eyeshadow palette. Not bad. And this one is the Ultimate Edit Petite Palette in the shade Warm Neutrals. It looks absolutely fantastic to create brown smoky eye looks. And let's see the beautiful shades that we have. Super gorgeous. This is a full size and they actually sell this palette, so they didn't design them for the advent calendar. We started very well. Nice product. Oh, now I see all the products are in pouches. Cool. The second product is the... What is this? Is this a sponge? It says scan for more flamingo fun in fa la la land. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna scan it, you know. They said scan.
We're gonna scan.
I need to remove it so the barcode can be flat. This is a very weird sponge with a very unique packaging. Now I'm gonna scan it. Okay, I'm going to the website. I just have the new products here. Hi gorgeous, so I'm editing the video and they have changed the link of the barcode. When I was unboxing the advent calendar, the link was going to the Nyx website with their new makeup products, but now it goes to a filter on Snapchat and I don't have Snapchat on my phone, so I can't really see the filter. I'm guessing it is something flamingo fun with glasses. Yeah, so back to the video now. Super weird sponge. Let's continue with door number 3. So it looks like a brow gel. The pouches are super cute. Oh, we have a mini product. This one is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. We have this every year. I brought the full size that I have and I'm going to swatch this one. It is in the shade Sunbeam, by the way. And this one is a beautiful highlighter and you need just a tiny bit. As you can see, I applied a lot for this swatch. They have so many face products and every year we're getting the same highlighters. I don't get it. Door number 4? Yeah. Door number 4. Oh, this feels like a nail file. Maybe I shouldn't press, so I could guess blindly. That was cheating. So we have here a super adorable nail file. It is a mini and we have the same design with the packaging and the pouches and everything. Is this a surprise or a filler product? You choose. Door number 5. It looks like a lip gloss. Yeah, the butter gloss, we always have them in advent calendars by Nyx. They're done. Oh my god, I'm right. And this one is the butter gloss in the shade Meringue. And let's see how this one looks. Maybe I had it many years ago and I decluttered it. Super glossy and it is a full size. Okay. Door number 6 here. It feels like a liquid lipstick.
Let's find out.
Oh, it is a butter gloss, but it is very different. We have these swirls all over it in the shade Candy Apple. Most likely this is designed for the advent calendar. It has a soft vanilla scent like all of the other butter glosses, so... Oh, it is super cute. And we have a deep burgundy shade. It can look amazing on everyone. It is a super Christmassy color, also great for fall winter makeup looks. Also a full size. Door number 7 here. Maybe a brow gel well, a liquid lipstick. It's a lip gloss. This one is the This Is Juice Gloss in the shade Strawberry Flex. And this lip gloss was released the last year. I'm very curious to smell it and see if it smells like strawberries. Oops, I have some drops of product. Okay, it smells like strawberries. It is a little bit artificial. I was expecting a little bit of something pink. Door number 8 now. Oh boy, this feels like a lip product again. It's not! So this one is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Gleam this time. And we get this in every advent calendar.
Nothing new here.
And I found the full size that I already have. Yeah, I forgot to say, this is a mini. Also the other was. This one has 6 milliliters and the full size is 13 milliliters. Again, you need to use such a small amount that even if you have the 6 milliliters, you can use it forever. And we have here a deep golden shade that can look amazing for deeper complexions. This is super shiny. Door number 9. Oh, a liquid liner. Let's hope for not a lip product. I found it. I was very close. This one is the Face and Body Stamp in Star Studded. Okay, I'm very curious. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let's do some. Love it. Maybe we also have one with a heart shape. That would be super cool. I have Elena this. Let's take it out of a calendar. In a stampa. It is husband approved, as you have seen. It looks like a mini, but I don't think they actually sell this. Maybe it was designed for the advent calendar. It's super cute. I really like it. That was a nice surprise. Door number 10 doesn't have a pouch. It didn't fit in the pouch. So it is obviously a lip product. Oh, I have never tried this. So this one is the Fat Lip Drip Oil in the shade Follow Back. Okay, please follow back.
What's going on?
Oh, the stopper. It is a shimmery light golden lip oil and it is quite thick. It feels like a lip gloss actually, not a lip oil, and sticky. Okay. It has a light sweet chemical scent. I have never tried it before. This is a full size. And also these were released this year and they were sold out immediately and I couldn't find them at the drugstore. So follow back please. Door 11 now. Mascara. I'm gonna say mascara. It's not. Okay. So this one is the Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint. Oh my god, a new face product in the shade Showgirl. Okay, let's see this Showgirl shade. How do we open this? We have a doft applicator. It looks like a liquid lipstick and it is a tint. Oh my god, the color. What's happening? You can also blend it out. Oops, I applied too much. And this was also released this year. I'm very surprised that we have it. Door number 12. I'm gonna say again a mascara, maybe a mini mascara. Whoop, wrong again. And this one is the This Is Juice Gloss Electrolyte Infused Color in the shade Pomegranate Cloud. And I have tried this again. I actually like it a lot. I was using it a few months ago every day for my everyday lip gloss. I like that it has some color, not like the previous juice gloss that we got. Very shiny as well. Now I'm drinking my hot chocolate with my hot chocolate weather mug. You can also get yours. I'm gonna have a link in the description box. And one more Christmas design that I have for my merch is the Meowie cat mask that I'm wearing now as a t-shirt. These are the beautiful cats that we have, super adorable. So what are the next products? Okay, and this is door 13. Maybe a butter gloss again. Ooh, I'm wrong. I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm wrong. So this one is the Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint in the shade Coralicious. And let's swatch it. I'm so happy that we have something different and I'm just dotting. I'm not gonna use more because it is very spreadable. So pretty. Moving on to door 14. Lip gloss. It's not a lip gloss. And we have one more Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint Blush Mousse in the shade Almost Famous. You've just made it. And this looks like a brighter color. Let's find out. I'm gonna swatch it somewhere here. Ooh, that's intense. Super cute, and this one can look amazing for deeper complexions. Another full size, door number 15. The size of the pouch reminds a butter gloss. Alright, and this one is the butter gloss in the shade Apple Crisp. So we have apple pie and apple crisp. Okay, let's watch it. I'm super curious to see how it looks. Lovely, super nice. You can also wear it for every day if you want red lips but a little bit more wearable. Let's continue with door 16. That also doesn't have a pouch. It doesn't look like a fat oil. And we have here the Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Teddy Fluff. It looks like a gorgeous brown shade that is very trending now. Let's swatch it and find out. Ooh, lovely. Super chocolatey. After that, door 17. This one is the This Is Milky Gloss Choco Latte Shake.
Okay.
I really want to sniff this ASAP. Oh, it is chocolatey. It smells amazing. Oh no, I have some product on my nose. It was worth it. This one is a cool toned brown shade. Super nice. One more lip product, but I really like the color story that I have on my hand. And door 18 now. I think this is gonna be one more butter gloss. Whoop. It's not. This one is the This Is Juice Gloss Electrolyte Infused Color in the shade Watermelon Sugar. We need to sniff this. Oh, it smells like watermelons. But it is a little bit artificial. Super glossy as well.
Okay.
Let's go to door number 19. It is definitely a fat oil. So this one is the Fat Lip Drip Oil in the shade Newsfeed. Oh, the stopper. Oh my god. I'm afraid to pull it off with more strength. And let's see the color of this. Oh, I don't have much product on the applicator. I'm swirling so the applicator can get some product. Okay, so this is the color. Let's find door number 20. I'm gonna say this is the Milky Gloss because we have one shade. Maybe we have one more.
Let it out.
Oh, this is the new butter gloss. I have never tried it. It was sold out. And this is the butter gloss in sugar glass and it is completely clear. I love the packaging. And let's see how shiny it is. Super shiny. We have a lot of clear products and shiny. I mean, we didn't need so many fat oils and clear lip glosses. It has the soft vanilla scent. It is very nice.
Nose approved.
Then door 21. It is almost unwrapped. And we have the Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Kitty Belly. Kitty Belly, and it is this color. I don't get it. Do you? Let me know in the comments.
Kitty Belly.
This is a muted corally shade. Very nice if you want to create a K-pop inspired makeup look. Door 22 is another fat oil. And this is the Fat Lip Drip Oil in the shade That's Chic. Let's see if it is actually chic. This topper is terrifying. Oh, okay. With this one, we have some color. It is a light purpley one. And it has a chemical berry scent. And here we have door 23. And it is a milky gloss in the shade Cherry Milkshake. That's exciting. I want to smell it. Even though I don't like cherry scent so much. Okay, it has a very light cherry scent. This collection reminds me a lot of the butter glosses because they have a lot of color. Another full-size lip product. Now I need to find door 24. It is at the bottom. Milky Gloss. Oh, I love the color. So this one is the Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade V-Day Frosting. It is looking glorious. Oh, it has the sweet chemical scent. Love it. The box is empty. I'm very happy that we have new products in this advent calendar and not the same that we got last year and the last year. However, we have 15 lip products. That's a lot for a 24-day advent calendar. The overall value is 170 euros and I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4 stars. Can you believe it? Last year I gave it just 2. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can also watch this one here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!